125th year of Theatre celebration was organized recently. The special commemorative postal stamp was released on the occasion. Chief Postmaster General H.C. Agarwal released the postage stamp of Theatre. Art and Culture Minister Govind Gowde later unveiled the blow-up of the stamp.
We now move on to another important part of today's function, the unveiling of the blow-up of the Theatre postage stamp, which will be done at the hands of our Honorable Minister of Art and Culture, Shri Govind Gowde. Sir, we kindly request you to do the honours.